on the bottom side of her van.
Wow.
Probably not pretty.
I mean, you hope insurance and the city will cover the damages to the van, but you never know in these days and times, Zach.
Yeah, it's a legit excuse to call out of work.
And they got video to prove it.
My van's in a hole.
Yeah, usually you have that happen in Florida where you get a lot of rainfall, washes the soil away. California, very, very dry. But, of course, a burst water main, that changes everything, not weather-related at all. Here's a look at what the Millionaire Cam's showing us. Visibility be reduced from time to time with a little bit of fog setting in, and then it's raining at other times. It is just humid out there. Look at this. It's 72 with a dew point of 71. Now, it can be in the 70s. We've had a full week of 70s here, but having a humidity value that high, that dew point of 71, is very unusual for November. And typically things will change very quickly when that happens. We're going to see that, but the atmosphere has a ton of moisture, and that is why we're going to see some periods of heavy rainfall and possibly some flooding overnight tonight into tomorrow. Other temperatures across Virginia, almost a full run of 70s. The exception is Stanton at 66 degrees. And look at the dew points all across Virginia. Again, this is tropical moisture that has moved up out of both the Gulf and off the Atlantic. And it's just not the type of air mass that we typically have here in Virginia this time of year. We have the flash flood watch remains in effect for everybody in the Tidewater and the Piedmont until 6 o'clock tomorrow. And here is a look at what we've got on radar. Some heavy rainfall now in the northern neck around Farnham and Kinsale. And these showers producing a lot of heavy rainfall. And then New Kent to West Point, this is going to be running out to Highway 33, so 249 to 33, some heavy rainfall. Also 295 and 64 around Sandston and RIC, some heavy rainfall. We have some rain now here in the Richmond area, out the Powhite, as well as Midlothian Turnpike and Hull Street, some heavy rainfall there. And scattered showers farther south with heavier rainfall now developing up in parts of Louisa County, and that's going to be moving up toward Doswell here shortly. Also some down toward Dillwyn. There have been some lightning strikes with this newly developed band of showers and thunderstorms. You see some lightning there in Campbell County, moving up into Appomattox County. All this developing out ahead of the approaching cold front. We'll likely see some more thunderstorms developing later on tonight, and there is a low-end threat for some severe weather in areas in green, and the primary threat here is going to be damaging wind gusts. Switching gears here to the tropics, we have the potential for another named storm here. Not much has changed with this, which is good and bad. Bad because it's still an 80% chance of development. That could become Iota over the next few days. There is Tropical Storm Eta, a strong tropical storm. The track here has significantly changed from this time yesterday, now going across the peninsula of Florida and out to sea. And then, of course, we have Theta, which is way out in the middle of nowhere and headed over toward northern Africa. Rest of tonight, we'll have showers around, maybe a few thunderstorms as well. Tomorrow, we'll start the day with mild conditions. We'll be in the 60s, but this front will come through, and that will cool us off as the day wears on. The heaviest rain will be in the first part of tomorrow, with drier conditions late in the day and much cooler weather as well. And Friday, I think that we'll salvage the day with some sunshine, and it looks good heading into Saturday. There's your forecast for tomorrow. 100% chance of rain through midday, and then lower chances in the afternoon and evening. As far as temperatures go, it's going to be warm tomorrow morning, but after that, we'll cool off, and then it's going to feel a lot more like November, with temperatures generally topping out in the 50s and 60s, and it gets a little bit drier as well. There's your 7-day forecast. Most of the weekend will be dry. That chance of rain on Sunday should be after dark.